morning, Hanoi! Ang aming first morning dito sa Hanoi. We arrived yesterday. Pero, ang taba ko naman. Ano ba yan? Yesterday, nag-ano lang kami. Super pagod. My God. Nag-dinner lang kami outside. Hindi kami nag-explore. Kasi, pagod na pagod kami from the, Korea trip. At maaga ang aming flight kahapon. So today, tignan nyo naman guys. Kita nyo ba sa labas ang watawat ng Vietnam? Hanoi lang ba ang watawat na yun? Ano eh. Pero tignan mo. Ang cute, di ba? Parang, sige. Parang fiesta dito araw-araw. Tignan nyo, gaano kasikip. Tignan nyo ha, gaano kasikip ang streets dito. Puro motorbike. Sige, nako talaga. Diyos ko po talaga. Sige talaga dito. Nakakatakot. Parang palengke. Yan, palengke vibes. Ang dami na nilang They're selling a lot of Christmas decors already. Look. Nice.
Celebrate Christmas here.
Ang ganda Tingnan nyo guys. Ang daming sakyan. Ang dami talaga sasakyan. Masikip. Pero, Kian, where do you like better? Korea or Vietnam?
Vietnam and Korea.
Both. We love the food here in Vietnam. Masarap talaga.
Look at me.
Pero tignan natin ano ba may explore.
Look at me.
Sa Hanoi lang kami actually
Look
pupunta.
at me.
Kasi
Look at me.
wala tayong masyadong mahabang time. Hey, nakataas na energy mo mamaya grumpy ka na naman. Ha? Okay, punta tayo ng ngayon. We're going to Lotte Mall. Let's explore the mall here. Wala kasi hindi kami nakapag-visit ng shopping center sa Korea. Walang time. Kasi, basta busy. Marami kasing pwedeng puntahan din doon. Pero dito chill lang tayo. Kasi hindi kami pupunta sa Sapay, hindi kami pupunta sa Danang. No, malalayo yung mga yan. Next time na. Guys, we're at the Lotte Mall. And look naman how big ang kanilang shopping center here. Tara, pasok tayo. Okay, let's go. Motorbike parking. Diyos ko po, ang daming motorbike. Dito pa pala. Oh my God, parang puro motorbike na dito. Ang daming motorbike. Lotte Mall. Ang laki ng nila, shopping center nila. Wow. Ang laki Mukhang bagong-bago. Diba? Ang ganda. Tara, pasok tayo. Dapat tumingin pa rin ako, huwag tatanga-tanga. Masagasaan ako. Laki ng nila, Ang laki na shopping center nila, Ang daming kids. Ang daming kids. Mga Vietnamese kids. Tignan nyo daw ang lawak, Ang ganda, guys. O, di ba? Ang lawak ng kanilang shopping center. Bago siguro to. Kasi ang ganda talaga eh. Malinis. Okay, tara hanap tayo ng somewhere to eat. Ano to? Parang, Japanese nga. Very nice naman ito. I love the decors, mahal. Ha?
Thai or Vietnamese?
Vietnamese. Oh, you want a Thai? It's up to you. What you like? Ramen. Have some Thai today and then tonight Vietnamese if you like.
It's been a while since we had Thai.
Okay. But let's walk around first.
Ramen?
It's ramen as well. Yes, a lot of Japanese. Japanese.
Yeah, we're looking for a place now.
Uy, ang daming pagkain, oh. Even upstairs are all restaurants. Look, Hong Kong restaurant. I can smell pho. Pho. Noodle. Cafe Giang. Oh, this is the famous Cafe Giang. I'll get some coffee there. I didn't have any coffee yet. Pili na kayo guys. Ano gusto nyo kainan dito? Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Som In Thai. Hanap tayo ng anong masarap na kainin. Uy, ang dami ng drinks. Ang sarap ng mga drinks. My God. Ano ito mga lime juice? Ay, magkakape pala ako mamaya. Yung salted coffee. Yung pala yung kakainin. Ay, iinumin pala. Okay, so we're now at the kids indoor playground here in Hanoi for Kian to enjoy. At nag-order nga ako ng salted coffee. Kanina naman sa Cafe Giang ba yun? That famous Cafe Giang, I ordered the egg coffee. Masarap siya, yung egg coffee nila actually. Meron ako nababasa na ng mga comment na malansa daw or something. Hindi naman. Siguro depende kung saan bibilhin. Siguro. At isa sa mga friends ko, sinabi niya na masarap daw, mas type niya itong salted coffee. So, tignan natin kung mas masarap. Careful! Dali, tignan natin. Coffee. Oops, masyadong Careful. You okay? Oh, malamig din pala siya. Ice din pala siya. Iced. Are you supposed to mix this or? Ano ba to?
Huh?
Ang tapang ng kape. Hindi kaya ako manginginig dito. Matapang ang kape ng matapang ang kape ng Vietnam.
Iced again.
Ng Vietnamese. I don't know, she didn't ask me if I want cold or hot. Mas matapang pa sa akin yung kape nila. Okay, parang caramel siya. I think you have to mix it. Pero masarap. Ano siya, malinamnam din siya. Parang yung egg coffee din kanina. Kasi yung egg coffee, malinamnam din siya sa taas eh. Ito rin, salted coffee, malinamnam din siya sa taas. Picturean ko nga. Send ko sa mga sisters ko. Ay, ayun pala. Para makita nila. Masarap siya, guys. Mahal, try. Kasi mahal, ayaw niya ng ibang drinks. Gusto niya tubig lang. Kasi puro beer siya. Mula Korea, ang iniinom niya, beer. Puro beer.
Strong.
Yeah, strong nga eh. And then I had another one before. I don't know. I might palpitate now.
You'll be that strong?
Ha?
I didn't know you'll be that strong.
Kaya nag-enjoy pa. Maaga pa dito ngayon sa Vietnam. 4 hours ang difference ng Vietnam and Australia. Okay guys, see you again kung saan ang ating next destination. O di ba parang kami lang ang tao dito sa kalaki-laki ng mall na to. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Walang masyadong tao. Naku, may momo pa ata dito. Tingnan mo nga to, oh. Hala, who's that kid? Who's cooking? Huh? I was eating.
A ghost.
A ghost.
Yeah. It's just
Look where we are at the moment.
I already said that. Mama, I told them that.
Okay, we are at the famous train street, guys. Waiting for the train to come. But while waiting, syempre, let's drink some Saigon beer.
I'm also eating apple.
And Kian's eating apple. We just ordered some food. And they're still preparing it. Ah, diba?
You want me to
We
watch?
made it to the train street.
You want to watch me play Roblox?
I always wanted to see the train street. So, yeah.
You want me to
We're here now.
watch?
Dada is having a pho or fa. And Kian's having a fried rice,
An apple.
an apple. And Mama, I want something else, so I'm gonna buy later. Okay? Kian's fried rice. What's in your fried rice?
I think only carrots.
And eggs.
Huh?
That's with egg.
Ah.
Okay, can you eat now, please? And Mama only beer. I want to try something else later. I might get a takeaway somewhere. Okay. Oh, guys, pulutan. Mangga. Sige, mahal. Try it. It's like Philippine mango.
Look at me. Mama.
Mm. Is it sour?
Philippines will always have the best mangoes.
Guys, train is coming. Train is coming. After waiting a long time, it's finally here. Let's see how close it could get to us. Oh my God! What? Ang lapit! Ang lapit pala nito, Diyos ko. That's crazy. Oh my God. It's a bit scary. Uy, mahaba pala siya. Ha? No. I don't think it's a public transport for them. Ha? For a show.
Oh, there is people on there.
Is it?
I've seen someone holding a camera in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
is this?
It's pretty long, yeah.